Alright. Hopefully I have good luck today with recording, but yeah, I'll go ahead and continue with whatever this part is. It looks like it's just the courtyard part again. Make sure it's a little bit more even. It looks kind of wonky in my point of view. But yeah, like I say, if it seems like I'm checking my phone a lot, I apologize. Yeah, it's just I want to make sure it's recording, you know. But yeah, alright, looks like it is so far. But yeah, nothing to update on or anything, you know. Just it's my day off, so I've been watching some cheesy, low-budget horror movies. So that's what I've been up to. Other than that, yeah, I've been enjoying it so far. But yeah. Should probably move my car at some point, but yeah, Thursday and Friday is street sweeping days, so just have to remember to do it. Yeah, in my old neighborhood, it used to be both sides on the same day, but this neighborhood, it's one side a day. 1, 2, 3. All right. So that's a regular. It's not necessarily a square, but in terms of Lego, it kind of is. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know why they go for color or regular colors to well, obviously the outside has to be match the actual castle, but just funny that it alternates so much. I'll try and not talk too much in the beginning part of the video, just to be safe. Oh, alright. Square. This piece double, and then the one with the hole. I do have a good amount of Harry Potter sets, so once I finish the other smaller ones, I'll switch over to Harry Potter. Say how many sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Harry Potter sets, so I'll get to that at some point. Yeah. Like, see how some of these are just so complex, even though they're such a small piece. It's kind of hard to compact them with without breaking the entire set, you know. But oh well. close, but not the one I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the one thing I do wish that I did, was to live stream it, this process. Just because I'm not really that big of a talker, so, well, that's the one reason I don't live stream really, but at the same time, it's nice to kind of talk to people while doing this kind of stuff. I'm looking for the dark gray ones, not the tanner ones. So it looks like it's just the gray, not the dark gray. Makes it a little easier. Do have some good news though, so I did win $50 on a $5 scratcher, so that's one good thing that's happened today. I usually get like a, or not usually, every once in a while, more like it, I get a scratcher, so it's kind of nice to win something every once in a while. So I'll pay for food or whatnot, but yeah, either way I won, that's all that matters. Yeah. Kind of at that stage too, though, where it's like, it feels like everything's going a little too well, if that makes sense. Like it just feels like something bad is about to happen. But we'll see. Hopefully not, but I don't know. It's like, yeah, I don't know. It just feels like you gotta have a rough spot, and then now it's in the good time, and then something bad will happen. You know, that's what I'm afraid of. Right now. Ooh, all right. So here, this is the beginning of the little where the tree is and stuff. So it'll be flat like that. I'm like wondering how is this supposed to work. All right. See, like, look at how intricate this is. Like, just where's the camera? There's a camera. But like, just getting like the little centerpiece put together is a pain. Not a bad way. It's just a lot of work. Little details, I guess, too, is what's happening. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there we are. It's right in front. Of course it is. Which piece is it? It's a gray. I think it looks like a gray one. Seems a bit precarious, but we'll find out. Where am I at? 16, not bad. It's weird because it's been relatively cool in the morning, then all of a sudden freezing, and no, it's cold in the morning, then hot in the afternoon. I mean, like 80s hot. So we're out there. I got one. Where's the second? Oh, there you are, right in front. Forgot what was I saying? Oh yeah, it's just been the weather is one of those time periods where I'll probably get sick, just because of like how like wish-washy the weather is. But oh well, it is what it is. But you know, fun times. So I don't know if this is what fixed it or not, but something with my phone, must be Jackie at the door, but no, there's something on my phone where when you unlock the phone, it gets slightly brighter, so that way you're able to see it, right? Like if you need to change, if you're inside and the phone's dark and you go outside, it lights up, right? Or gets brighter and stuff. I have a feeling it might have been affected from that, and that caused it to like shut down, you know, or like after if you leave your phone on for a period of time. Wait, what, did I miss a step? Oh no, all right. Let's say it looked. I remember doing this at this stage, but yeah, I have a feeling that was causing the issue. So could be completely wrong, but just have a feeling that might have been the issue, causing my phone to turn off. But who knows? There goes Sally. I think it's the male person must be here. I use my tweezers since they're slightly thinner. Yeah, sometimes some of the pieces don't align quite right, you know. So, trying to think. Let me do one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Yeah, she barks a lot. Trying my best to get her to stop, but she eventually tires herself out, you know. The two-piece one. It is trippy though. It does look pretty good so far. So there are slightly smaller pieces. I am waiting for the time that I accidentally knock this and drop it, you know. That's what I'm kind of expecting, but hopefully that's not the case, but with my luck it will be. in the books, if you read the books, Aragorn, instead of the white tree just blooming again, Aragorn has to get a new sapling in order to plant it. I believe from that, what I remember is each king is supposed to plant their own tree when they are king, so at least what I remember. It's been a hot second since I've read the books, so don't take it for 100% accuracy, but that's at least what I remember. I need to read them again. It's been a while. Yeah, and well, yeah, like I still have a lot of books to read too, even for the first time, so I doubt it'll happen anytime soon, but hopefully it'd be sometime soon. I've been meaning to. Last time I read them, I think it was in like high school, so it's been a while. But yeah, right now I'm reading The Long Walk by Stephen King. Been a Stephen King craze for a little while. Let's see. Two. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. It's about 30 minutes, which is good. Get anxious trying to do this stuff. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Still don't get what the point of the light is, but oh well. I'll find out. Indiana Jones in my head lately. I saw an actor that was in the young Indiana Jones show from back in the day, and now it's going, the main movie theme song is going through my head. Alright, so yeah, I'll do these last three things. Alright, so there's that. One, two, three, four. Alright. My main worries are pretty much done now. So yeah, it's just it's just the final details. It's technically 2 bags left, but they're still a part of bag number 6. So yeah. Alright, here, let me grab my phone. Alright. There we are. Looks nice so far. Just have to do the final parts here with the where it's technically, I guess it would be a cathedral, but it's not a religious one. It's just more of a castle. But yeah, but otherwise, yeah, that'll be it for today. So yeah, hopefully it won't be too much more since the 2 last bags are pretty small. So yeah, otherwise, peace out.